Don't trust the ones that tell you they've never been weak. We got barrels full of porter. We got no rest, we won't shut up. Far from home and in the dark. We are the Gipsy geezers. Don't mind the tempest to feel the winds. Don't trust the ones that tell you they've never been weak. We got barrels full of porter. We got no rest, we won't shut up. Far from home and in the dark. We are the Gipsy geezers. Every town has a touch, let me tell you this. Every city got a buzzing was of sound. I've been out there myself and I hardly felt alone. On a packed London lane like on a Finnish misty shore. On solitary strolls, if I heard the rays of light on those evening crows through flashing streets. I get drinks in every pub, I got drunk more than twice. I got my knees full of bruises, but nothing to regret. Don't mind the tempest, to feel the winds. And trust the ones that tell you they've never been weak. We got barrels full of porter. We got no rest, we won't shut up. Far from home out in the dark. We are the Gipsy geezers. I've been traveling up and down, chasing trains and tracy roads, and kissing them away every time they were getting close. I've been waiting so square on the rainy long night, and I counted one by one all the foreign crispy stones. I've been silver, sometimes cold, but I found it out too late. With a bag, a few good parts, I got trays of missing planes. And dusting off my hat, tossing up another pint, I made a way to turn my life into never-ending road. Don't mind the tempest, to feel the winds. Don't trust the ones that tell you they've never been weak. We got barrels full of porter. We got no rest, we won't shut up. Far from home out in the dark. We are the Gipsy geezers. Don't trust the ones that tell you they've never been weak. We got barrels full of porter. We got no rest, we won't shut up. Far from home out in the dark. We are the Gipsy geezers.